matter what choice do you have, you just have to be consistent in your interests. You do not have to get fiddled by the outside chaos that is always going.
I believe कि fun time होता नहीं है, उसको करना पड़ता है.
Always thought of goals but could not complete that. Then used to wake up at late nights to complete the syllabus.
This commerce is very easy. I mean, it's not easy.
Okay.
First of all, it's not easy. See, everything is easy if you think in that way.
नमस्कार व्यूअर्स, आज एक बहुत ही खास सेगमेंट लेकर आए हैं हम अपने कार्यक्रम भेंट वार्ता में। बिकॉज भेंट वार्ता की जब भी बात होती है तो हम सोचते हैं कि हम उनको लेके आएंगे जो अपनी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में एक्सेल कर चुके हैं और जानेंगे उनके जीवन के बारे में। पर जब हम बात करने वाले हैं आज जिनके साथ, वो अभी ज़िंदगी शुरू करेंगे और ऑलरेडी अचीवर्स हो चुके हैं। आप मानेंगे वो अचीवर्स क्यों हैं, उसके बारे में बताती हूँ आपको जल्दी ही, क्योंकि आज हम मिलने वाले हैं देहरादून के कैम्ब्रियन हॉल के अचीवर्स से, उनके टॉपर्स से, जिन्होंने इस साल बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में तहलका मचाया पूरे देहरादून में। तो उसके लिए आइए आज हम मिलेंगे उनके कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम क्लास 12 के सबसे पहले मोहम्मद नावेद से। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है रेडियो घाम छाया पर मोहम्मद नावेद। और आपको बता दूं, इनका जो स्कोर है वो सुनकर आप बहुत खुश होंगे, और उसके लिए पहले तो मैं आपको बधाइयाँ देती हूँ, और मैं चाहती हूँ आप खुद बताएं हमारे लिसनर्स को अपना स्कोर।
Hello, good morning, ma'am. My name is Mohammad Naveed. I recently completed my class 12th and my score was 94.5% in commerce.
Yes, so that is the score, 94.5 in commerce. और कैम्ब्रियन हॉल has been known to, not only have academic excellence in their students, holistic development भी होता है और nurturing बहुत अच्छी है वहाँ पे बच्चों की। तो हम जानना चाहते हैं नावेद आपसे, आपको क्या लगता है आपके स्कूल का कौन सा ऐसा चीज़ था जो आपको आज भी याद आता है और आपको लगता है ये मैं सारी उम्र अपने साथ रखने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ द स्कूल हैज़ nurtured me, brought me up?
Ma'am, my school helped me a lot, not only in studies but also how to be teamwork, respectful to others. And what I have learned is that we should be respectful to everyone. And I learned from Kevin Hall that only that we should be kind and treat everyone with positive in a positive.
ओके, यस, पॉजिटिविटी जो कि हमें बता रहे हैं ये, और टीम वर्क की बात कर रहे हैं, वो जान के बहुत खुशी होती है। और वाकई में टीम वर्क है, क्योंकि आज ये अकेले नहीं आए हैं, इनके साथ और भी अचीवर्स हैं बाकी स्ट्रीम्स की, तो हम उनसे भी बातें करेंगे। और उससे पहले नावेद, हम ये जानना चाहेंगे आपने कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम क्यों चुनी, क्या कारण था कॉमर्स लेने का?
Ma'am, this is an interesting question. I chose commerce because I was interested in finance, management and business from an early stage, and I enjoy how business maintains its records and analyze its performance by only seeing data or numbers. So I enjoy that also. And Reliance is famous, and since childhood I used to think how they maintain their records. So that's an interesting, and that's the reason I chose commerce.
ओके, और वैसे नावेद, जब बात होती है ना अकाउंट्स की और नंबर्स की, तो बच्चे जनरली बहुत डरते हैं। आपका क्या टेक था उसके ऊपर?
Ma'am, yes, it happens, but for me, don't see numbers, or please understand what question says for me. It's like every accountancy or commerce question says something that is relates to the world only. Like commerce, what is marketing? You can relate with marketing. Question of partnership, you can relate to, there are two partners, they are having this much ratio. So if you think in that way, how they maintain, then it's a easy questions for you.
यानी कि आप कहना चाहते हो जो प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि इकोनॉमिक्स हो गया और बिजनेस स्टडीज़ हो गया, इनको लेकर काफ़ी लर्निंग होती है, रियल लाइफ लर्निंग होती है।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, commerce, what I see is commerce is real life based only.
ओके, कैन यू गिव सम एग्जांपल्स ताकि हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए थोड़ा इजी हो जाए समझना?
In commerce, we used to learn who is wholesaler. So when my teacher taught me who is wholesaler, I used to understand who is wholesaler, because we often sometimes buy from the wholesalers. So what are the features of wholesalers? He used to buy in bulk. So I have to write only he used to buy in bulk. So I relate with that. And in accountancy also, there is partnership, how they enter into partnership. what's the agreement, because without agreement, there are chances of conflicts. But when I used to learn that what are the agreements and what's to be done if the agreement is not up to the mark, but how to maintain the practical questions also, because it first we have to pay direct expenses which we have to pay. Then at last we like in real life we first, if I am a wholesaler, I used to I have to give everyone what I have to give. Compulsory price I have to give to everyone. I will take at last what I have achieved. So in real life questions also we have to do that only.
ऑल राइट. और नावेद, आपने जब कॉमर्स लिया होगा तो ज़रूर सोचा होगा करियर ऑप्शंस के बारे में. तो आज आप जब हमारे साथ हैं तो आपको क्या लगता है कि बच्चे जो कॉमर्स लेने की सोचेंगे, कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस हैं ऐसे जिनके कारण आपने लिया?
I personally like ACCA. It's a global course based from London. Like
ACCA.
yes,
What
ma'am.
is it full form?
Association of Chartered Certified Accountant.
Oh,
It's
right.
UK based and it's famous, worldwide famous. I haven't choose CA because it's quite difficult and it takes so many years, and I have seen so much students that struggle too much in it. So for me, ACCA is the best with BCom.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल राइट. एंड आगे जाके करियर ऑप्शंस क्या निकल के आएंगे इसमें, और कोई
finance.
ब्रांच आउट होते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Finance.
Finance, auditing, taxation, there are lot more.
ऑल राइट.
Yes.
और नावेद, क्योंकि हम कॉमर्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो एक चीज़ होती है कि बहुत कोई मिसकंसेप्शंस होते हैं लोगों के अंदर, एंड व्हाट अबाउट दोज मिसकंसेप्शंस व्हिच अनॉय यू, दैट why do people always think like this about commerce? Is there any misconception?
Yes, ma'am.
that you
First
face?
question is commerce is very easy. Ma'am, it's not easy.
Okay.
First, it's not easy. See, everything is easy if you think in that way, and everything is difficult if you think it's difficult. Commerce is not easy. Like if science is hard, commerce is also hard subject. But for me, till class 10th, I have also science. So I have learned science also. But I chose commerce because I felt it's interesting. I was not interested in chemistry or physics, but commerce is interesting. I think there are mainly two misconceptions, that it's easy and second it's boring. It's not boring at all. It's
Okay.
very interesting.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑल राइट. अगर आपसे मैं स्पेसिफिकली जानना चाहूँ कि क्लास 12 बाय इटसेल्फ, what do you think? Was it emotionally more challenging or academically more challenging for you?
I think academically.
Academically.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are in control of your emotions and you know how to handle them well.
Yes, ma'am. There is a reason behind this.
Yes.
I'm not topper from the first class.
Okay.
I struggle a lot in 9th and 10th. I remember when I have science, I was failed in 3 to 4 subjects. But in 10th, I scored 81%. Then after my teacher suggested me that you should choose commerce. So when I chose commerce, I felt it very interesting, especially accounts. I love accounts. Then I always want to be a monitor at Cameron. Then I became in class 12 Cameron monitor. So that's the reason.
All right.
Yes.
I like that because generally what happens, children at your age, emotionally, they have to face a lot of challenges. So what was it that was keeping you absolutely fit in that?
Ma'am, first I want to thank the teachers of Cameron. They are very helpful, ma'am. Especially Annie ma'am, Anjali ma'am. They are very helpful. Whenever I used to have doubt, I directly rush to ma'am. Ma'am, this is my doubt, and they used to clear that doubt immediately. And that's the reason. See, if a child is emotionally, I think when he or her does not have somebody, when he or he has somebody, then I think that he can solve the problem.
Right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you
Proper
feel that.
guidance and motivations Cameron provided me. Every day.
Wonderful,
Yes.
wonderful. So we will be catching up with you soon, Naved, again. But I want your science stream student also to come forward and let's chat with her.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon and welcome to Radio Ghamchaya. As I told you, after the commerce, now we have Sambhavi Unyal, who is from the science stream from Cambridge Hall. And her score, listeners, please let us know.
Ma'am, I scored 96% in my boards, ISC, class 12th examinations.
Perfect. So first of all, Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And that's a wonderful score. I mean, हमें शायद बुखार आता था कुछ इस लेवल का. Anyhow, so Sambhavi, because you are from Cambrian Hall, and I just want to know, how many years have you been there?
Ma'am, I've been like since class first there.
Okay.
So since first class until 12th class, it's been a journey altogether. So like when I left the school, I was feeling so nostalgic. Like it's been such like 2 months only, but it feels like I've been away from the school since years. So yeah, it has been a part of me. Cayman Hall.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
It's grown on you, and because all these years you have studied
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
So
Actually.
that's yeah, I can understand the nostalgia there.
Ma'am, even my father and my uncle has like they have studied from this school.
Okay.
So like they were the first to recommend me this school, and I was like, okay, I will go into this school only if they have studied and they're recommending me. Then I would surely go there.
Wonderful.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
that means that you have Cambrian Hall का पूरा अपने घर में ही आप एक meet कर सकते हो, because there are
Yes,
so many of them who
Cambrianites.
are there from Cambrian
3
Hall.
Cambridgeites in the
Yeah.
family itself.
Wonderful. And Sambhavi, because you are from science stream, first
ma'am.
question is, was it PCM, PCB, or both?
Ma'am, I was a traditional PCB.
Okay.
I at first thought of opting for PCMB, but I thought that PCB is much a better safer option for this, because taking maths alongside PCB would be a riskier thing. So I did like PCB because I had medical as my main aim. So I was like, I would vote for PCB only.
Okay. So medical is your aim.
Yes, ma'am.
And now my question is that ISC by itself is not a very easy board.
Yes, ma'am.
You've scored
Absolutely.
96% there, which is amazing by itself. And along with that, you have continued with your prep for the both this
Examination.
medicals also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, started coaching in 11th class,
Okay.
and it was for 2 years. So 11th and 12th, I went coaching for the NEET exam. And like recently, I have appeared for this exam, and like hoping to get into a medical college, like a government medical college. Let's see then what happens.
All right. And Sambhavi, then how did you balance, like your school, your board studies, then your competitive exams? Were you getting any time for your own self?
Ma'am, actually, in 11th class, it was a hectic thing because it was not easy, because in competitive exams, you have the CBSE syllabus. And in you of course, you are in ICSE school, so you have to study the ICSE things, the structured formats, because it's just totally different from what you study in the CBSE NCERT books. And then, like when the time passed by, the teachers were there to help me. They have been an instrumental, like concrete support for me. And like they always told me that it's not always important for you to score that much good in your ICSE, as long as it is in your boards. So like give 50-50 importance to both in your 11th class, and then in your 12th, focus more on the boards, because the boards are very important. So I did like as they said, and yes, so because of their blessings and their support, I have been able to score this much percentage in my boards examinations.
That's like humbleness comes from there.
Yes,
And
ma'am, everything.
what I'm wondering right now is that did you find at any stage of life in these 2 years, which was so important, stressful in some way or the other, that ye karu ya ye karu, and I'm in a
Yes,
fix, where do I need to take care of myself, and which field do I need to
Yes, ma'am.
take care?
There has always been like, since the starting of 11th class, I was like, I'm opting for PCM. I don't know why, but I wasn't feeling the confidence in it. But since I opted, I was like, I have to go in one field. Like if I go after 12th, I have to choose one thing. So why not in 11th I choose one thing? So I was like, I have to opt for PCB, and now I'm doing for the medical thing. But yes, there are various self-doubts that are coming, and my like in my family also, there are many peers that are saying that, like cousins are there, they would say that why didn't you take PCM? We all are PCM side. So I was like, okay, but let's just shift to the PCB this time. So I was pretty much confident because of my parents also. They supported me a lot, because they were not like I have to keep mathematics, because my father, he's an engineer, and my mother, she was a PCB student, so she told me, okay, you should do PCB, it's much better. So I was like, yeah, I will go from this on this side. And my teachers also, they were like, you have to stick to one thing. But yeah, sometimes like in 11th, it was a hectic thing for me, because I could not manage the NEET mock tests were coming also. And then you have the pre-boards But
Exactly.
I gave the preference to the pre-boards. I was
Mhm.
like, NEET, you have many attempts in NEET, and I can give time for that in the coming time. But for now, the thing that is coming to me is the are the boards. So I have to give much preference to it. So I was like, I will go for the boards, and so I dropped out of the coaching for 2 months, and I was
Mhm.
stayed at home only. I was like studying only the things that are required for boards, because there is a great difference in the syllabus of
Exactly.
your competitive
Correct.
exams, because you are just there to tick in the
Hmm.
OMR things, and in your syllabus you have got a totally you have to elaborate so much.
Right.
So I was like, I have to study at home only. So my parents also, they supported this decision of mine, so I did it.
I really appreciate the kind of clarity this young girl is showing in her thought process and her planning for the way you have done it for your studies.
Thank you
That
so
is really amazing, and probably that is the reason this 96% shines out. So, also, I want to know that what did you find your strongest area? Were there numericals or your practicals or theory?
like a traditional PCB student, I have no shame in saying that I was not good at physics as much as I was good in biology, and chemistry also was a much weaker part of mine, like on an average. But I was good at biology. I was the strongest at biology, and in my biology section also, I scored, like, I was consistent in my marks also. So it has been a strong part of mine. So also in the competitive examination preparation, I was like, I have to give more preference to like physics numericals, not just biology, because biology, like I was in the childhood, I have always been interested in biology. So
Mhm.
it was like, this is ye to ho hi nahi jana hai. So I was like, I will do this, but physics I have to pay more attention to.
Right. So that kind of creating balance, that okay, this is what I can and this is what I should be paying attention to. I think that's a lot of learning for all my viewers here, because the way she's telling us, ये सारे ना pointers बन के आते हैं हमारे लिए, life lessons बनते जाते हैं, because in life also you will have to take such decisions,
Yes,
and if you
ma'am,
have such
absolutely.
clarity, I'm very sure you'll do wonders and
Thank you
you'll
so much,
scale
ma'am.
heights.
Thank you so much.
Sambhavi, I also want to know that as a youngster today, you have your juniors coming up who will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
writing their poets. What is your advice to them?
I'm like, I have my sister who is in seventh grade,
Mhm.
and always I tell to her, no matter what choice do you have, you just have to be consistent in your interests. You do
Mm.
not have to get fiddled by the outside chaos that is always going. Like, people are there to tell you that do this and do that, but if you have something in your heart and you know that you have to do it, you will do it despite the challenges and hurdles that come in your way. You have to be consistent every day, because it's the saying, like, the stone, there is a stone, and it does not matter how much times you hammer on it, and it does not matter the last hammer on the stone breaks it, but the first hammer on the stone also means a lot to it, because it's the consistency that matters. Every day you have to choose your choices and your interests. That what makes you confidence in the long process.
Wonderful. A round of applause
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
such young girl talking so sensibly and telling us things that really matter in our lives also. Especially so when in today's generation we find children jumping from one to the other, not able to decide what interests them. This is a very powerful statement
Thank you
that
so
you
much,
have made,
ma'am.
Sambhavi. I also want to know that now when you look back to yourself, let's say in class 10, class 11, is there anything that you would want to advise?
Advice.
Yeah.
Okay. So I would, like, as such, I would not advise, because I have done everything that I wanted to, because I had choices in my 11th, because many of my friends were saying that 11th is just a class to enjoy and not just to, like, study, because you have studied so much in your 10th. But I was
Correct.
like, we have to study in 11th too. So if I had a chance, I could also elevate my 11th scores, while
Mhm.
also side questing for different kinds of areas, like in my singing and like the things I have kept dormant since a long period of time, because I did not have time to touch those things because of the hectic study schedule that I used to have. But now I've got the time, so I think I need to renew those habits of mine again.
Okay. Honestly,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many hours of study every day?
Ma'am, actually, I was not consistent with the average. Like, if I say on an average, it would be 6 to 8 hours.
Every day?
Yes, ma'am, but not like constantly, continuously. It was like bits in
Bits.
bits
Right.
throughout the day.
throughout
Yes,
the day.
ma'am. To not just make it everything in your mind, like it would make a chaos. So that's why I advise myself also that in the morning I would make a shift, and then in the afternoon and in the evening.
All right. So
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
a morning person or a night owl?
Ma'am, that's a question I've always been asking myself too, because I cannot decide on one time. Because at one time I could say I'm a night owl because I can work till 12, and then I feel sleepy, so I just sleep. I actually prioritize sleeping. And then after in the morning, I just wake up at 6. So I do not get this question inside my own self. So I think mostly I am a morning person because I
Alright.
can wake up at 5, I can wake up at 6 because of my mother's scoldings also, like why are you not waking up.
So what helps you? Coffee, music, silence, or walk on the
Yeah.
grass, nature?
Nature actually has been a lot helpful to me because I have a great garden at my home. So whenever I feel stressed, I just go there, like bare footed also. I just walk on the greenery for a while. And silence also is very important for me actually, because I don't like, people are there who also say that we study while the like music is on, but I cannot just focus on one thing. So I think silence is much better option for me.
All right, wonderful, Shambhavi.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I think I will like to go in for a rapid fire with you a
Okay.
little later. But before that, we would like to talk to the ICSC board students.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
thank you so much. It was wonderful,
ma'am.
and I'm very
Thank
sure
you,
my
ma'am.
viewers that pearls of wisdom निकल के आए हैं आज संभवी से बातें करते हुए, which we shall catch. So as promised, now we have the ICSC, that is class 10 student from Cambrian Hall, and this time we have Ishant Gupta with us
Hello.
with 93.2% in class 10. So Ishant, सबसे
morning,
पहले
ma'am.
तो गुड मॉर्निंग, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है रेडियो
Thank you,
घाम
ma'am.
छाया पर. ईशांत, आप क्लास 10 क्लियर करके आ रहे हो, बोर्ड का प्रेशर लेकर आए हो. मुझे आई वांट टू नो, इज दैट प्रेशर एग्जैजरेटेड और इज इट रियल?
Ma'am, it feels on. It depends on the mind of the student.
Okay.
If that person takes pressure more, if he overthinks about the pressure, it will feel more.
Okay.
If you go naturally and with consistency, it will feel less.
Okay. So what was it in your case?
Ma'am, in my case, it was moderate,
Okay.
not high, not low.
All right. So as a class 10 student, how was Cambrian Hall giving you any specific guidance, teaching, कुछ extra special? या because हम जानते हैं Cambrian Hall holistic growth की बात करता है, तो काफ़ी extra curricular activities वगैरह होती होंगी, co-curricular activities होती होंगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you participate in all of that?
Ma'am, I participated, but not in all of that.
Mm-hmm.
A little less, like in debates and not in sports. I was not in sports.
Okay.
I was in co-curricular activities like debates and MUNs.
Mm-hmm.
So that gave me much knowledge, which was helpful in my 10th
Okay.
boards.
Okay. So, how was the school environment and your peer group helping you stay motivated for the boards?
Ma'am, my teachers and my parents both helped me. My teachers mentally helped me, and they also gave me specimen papers and other tests to solve, which motivated me to do more,
Mm-hmm.
which helped me score this result.
Okay. So, आपको क्या लगता है? How different are the board exams than the school exams? What difference? Where do you find
Ma'am,
that difference?
difference is not that much, but it is that ki it is on your the paper comes from outside.
Mhm.
It is not of your school.
Hmm.
About your teachers, you know what pattern they will give and what questions they will give, but that is unexpected,
Mhm.
so that is difficult.
Okay. And also, Ishant, I must tell you, CBSE के बच्चे जो होते हैं,
Hmm.
they have to go to a different school to write their
Hmm.
paper. In ICSE, it is the other way around.
Yes, ma'am.
You have your examiners coming from different
Hmm.
schools, but you get the comfort of your own school. How important was that for you?
Ma'am, that was much important,
Mhm.
because if we went to other schools, we will not get so much normalized in that environment.
Mhm.
We were in our school, so we were normalized with that थिंग
हम्म।
कि यहीं देना है हमको पेपर.
ओके, घर की बात है.
हाँ.
ओके. और क्योंकि 10th किया है आपने, तो कोई ऐसा मोमेंट, कोई ऐसी बात जो आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहो जिसने कि आपको मोटिवेट किया या थोड़ा सा डरा दिया, ईदर ऑफ द थिंग्स.
Ma'am, in the beginning of the session, every teacher told us that 10th है, boards है, tough है, तो वो थोड़ा डराता है. पर बाद में with consistency, if you go with consistency and reliability, you can do it.
ओके. और आपने तैयारी पूरी की हुई थी, तो स्टिल बहुत होता है कि लाइफ में हमें सरप्राइजेस मिलते हैं, कई बार शॉक मिलते हैं. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स का कोई ऐसा पेपर जिसने आपको एकदम सरप्राइज कर दिया?
Ma'am, geography's paper was very twisted
ओके.
and it came like क्या लिखूं. पहले तो मेरे को यही सोचना पड़ा क्या लिखूं.
ओके.
But when I started writing, I remembered the answers and I went it.
With the flow
Yes.
of the writing answers, huh? Very nice. And आपको क्या लगता है कि टाइम मिलता था हॉबीज परस्यू करने का, थोड़ा फन टाइम होता था, या पढ़ाई 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 चलता था?
मैम, आई बिलीव कि फन टाइम होता नहीं है, उसको करना पड़ता है. क्योंकि इफ वी गो ऑन स्टडिंग वी विल फील मच मोर स्ट्रेस्ड एंड वी नीड टू रिलैक्स आवर माइंड टू स्टडी प्रॉपरली.
ओके.
If we will not relax our mind, we will not be able to study properly and we will not be able to learn what we are learning. So
ऑलराइट.
we need to relax our mind. So we need to take out time to do our hobbies or whatever thing we like.
So what was your hobby, or what do you plan to pursue, continue?
Ma'am, I played with football like 5 to 10 minutes. I'd take short breaks and I'll play in it with football or that cricket ball, which relaxed me.
Okay. And what are you planning अभी आगे 11th 12th ISC में?
Ma'am, commerce. I am
Commerce.
choosing commerce stream because I want to do CS,
Okay.
company secretary.
Okay, that clarity is there with you. Wonderful. And आपको क्या लगता है, आप जो आपके अभी क्लास 9 में जूनियर्स हैं, उनको क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे, one after the other, like what should
Ma'am,
they be
tips I
careful
will
about?
give, like, be regular. Consistency is the key to success.
Mm-hmm.
We need to be regular and we cannot go that last time preparation वाला thing.
Mm-hmm.
And stress नहीं लेना. Stress लेके जो करा है वो भी भूल जाते हैं. ये मेरे साथ हाफ ईयरलीज में हुआ था.
Mm-hmm.
तो वो नहीं करना, और स्टार्टिंग से करोगे तो स्ट्रेस आएगा भी नहीं.
ईशांत, आप मुझे ये बताइए 3 words for your school. How do you want to describe it as?
Close to nature,
Okay.
comfortable,
Mm-hmm.
and very much active environment. If you are even lazy, it will motivate you to be active.
How does that happen?
Ma'am, like, the children and the teacher around us are so much active that we, even if we do not want to do something, we will do it with the flow.
Okay.
The school is very much productive.
ओके. अच्छा ईशांत, कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपने एकदम बंद कर दी थी कि अब मेरे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हैं, आई एम नॉट सपोज टू डू दिस?
मैम, थोड़ा आउटिंग करना, घूमना फिरना बंद, क्योंकि
Okay.
उसमें that takes a much more time.
ओके.
It consumes time which gets wasted and we cannot study.
ऑलराइट. एंड व्हाट वाज योर कंफर्ट फूड फॉर द एग्जाम्स?
Comfort food, I will say chocolate.
चॉकलेट.
I love it very much.
इंस्टेंट एनर्जाइजर है?
वो भी है, और वो मेंटल रिलैक्समेंट, माइंड रिलैक्स कर देता है बहुत
Okay.
ज़्यादा.
कोई फनी एग्जाम डे का इंसिडेंट, कुछ?
ऐसा तो नहीं था मैम.
कुछ नहीं था? ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि ओ मैं अपना ये लाना भूल गया?
नहीं.
नहीं, मतलब वेल प्रिपेयर्ड एंड
हाँ.
एवरीथिंग वाज वेल डन. ओके. कोई चलते चलते मुझे बताइए, आपको कोई ऐसी मोटिवेशनल लाइन मिली हो जिसको कि आपने अपने साथ पकड़ के रखा हो कि दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू
Ma'am,
help me through?
my English teacher Anjali ma'am told me that consistency is the key in the beginning of the session of 10th, and that motivated me very much, which helped me stay consistent and score this result.
Wonderful. Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
ma'am.
Ishan.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was wonderful talking with you. I'm wishing you all the luck for your 11th
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
12th. Okay. So now we have the other scorer, topper from Cambrian Hall ICSC group, and he is Darsh Khatak with us, and his score is
94.2%.
that is the kind of scores these children are bringing these days and makes me very proud of the fact that मैं इन बच्चों के साथ बातचीत कर रही हूँ और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है मुझे आज. तो दर्श, सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए, जब रिजल्ट आया, हाउ वाज योर रिएक्शन? वर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस?
Ma'am, at that time I was at the school
ओके.
and I took our teacher's phone
हाँ
and
हाँ.
I checked my result. Then I was really nervous that what will be the result. Then at the moment when I got it, I was so happy to see it. I told all the teachers and just ran through the corridor telling all the teachers what was my result.
ओके, वंडरफुल. एंड अगर आपसे मैं बोलूँ कैम्ब्रियन हॉल की आपकी जर्नी जो है वो कैसी रही है, एंड कोई एक वर्ड है क्या जिससे आप डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो अपनी उस जर्नी को?
Excellent, ma'am.
एक्सीलेंट.
Yes.
व्हाई डू यू से सो?
Ma'am, my journey at Cameron Hall started in class first, and at that time I got always scored the second rank, and I was very disappointed with myself that I could not be the first one, yet still doing the hard work. Then in class 4th I got my first rank for the first time, and then lockdown started, which caused my downfall, basically academic downfall. And then again in class 10th I have done very hard work.
ओके. दक्ष, क्या होता है ना, जो टॉपर्स होते हैं उनके साथ कुछ लेबल्स लग जाते हैं, है ना? तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कोई इस तरह का मिथ है टॉपर्स को लेके जिसको कि आज आप ब्रेक करना चाहोगे और बताना चाहोगे?
Yes, ma'am, most of the students think that the toppers always study and do not enjoy their life, but it's really wrong, and all the toppers enjoy their life also.
Okay, and how did you brought change from your studies to your fun times?
Ma'am, whenever I got tired with my studies, I used to take an hour or two off and just play football or spend time on mobile phones, and then again start to study.
कोई टीचर, कोई मेमोरी कैम्ब्रियन हॉल की which you think that you will carry with you forever?
Yes, ma'am. Our class teacher in 10th class, Mrs. Bhavna Singh.
Okay.
She was really good teacher, very comfortable with us, and she taught really good. That's why I scored 99 in biology.
Oh my God. Super. Congratulations
Thank
for
you.
that now. And besides that, is there anything that the school did? कोई discipline aspect, कोई एक particular culture of your school which has impacted your life? Because you were saying you've been there from class 1 onwards, which is many years into the same school. So you've literally grown from your, childhood days to your teenage days now. So,
Ma'am, our school always taught us discipline, especially our class teacher. She was very particular about discipline and never allowed any student to bunk the class or do some notorious thing, and always study. She was very particular about these things.
okay. And because you're talking so much about studies and because you have topped, I want to know what was your study routine like. If you can share it with my viewers so that जो youngsters आपको सुन रहे होंगे वो सीखेंगे कि हाँ कैसे करना है.
Ma'am, my routine was not that complex. After going back from school to home, I had lunch and then went to tuition. My tuitions were around 3 to 4 hours, and then I came back, had dinner, and did self-study for 2 to 3 hours, and then sleep because of the school next day. And after my pre-boards 1, I took an off from school for a month, and I studied late nights.
Okay. So you're a night owl?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you were studying, kya you were making notes, you were making flashcards, how were you going about it?
Ma'am, I was mostly studying from books and referring different books from different authors.
And any subject specific which was very difficult for you personally?
History.
History. All right. Why?
Ma'am, I always study history, then I remembered it for 2 to 3 days, and then if somebody asked me a question, I used to forget it. Then I read it with very much concentration, and then I scored 99 in history too.
Oh my God. That is when you didn't like that subject
Yes,
and it
ma'am.
was scary for you. You scored 99. Amazing, young man. Now tell me one thing. Flexibility थी आपके टाइम टेबल में या
Yes,
एक सेट टाइम टेबल था कि इतना ऐसे ही पढ़ना है डेली, इतना स्कोर मतलब इतना कवर करना है, या फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के साथ चलते
Ma'am,
थे?
I always thought of goals but could not complete that. Then used to wake up at late nights to complete the syllabus.
ओके. एंड ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना दर्श कि हम हर समय मोटिवेटेड रहे. आप यंग बच्चा हो in today's age and time when there is so much of social media. How did you keep yourself motivated enough that I have to study and not get into this social media chaos?
Ma'am, my parents and my elder brother, they always told me that do not keep distractions by your side and start studying just when you get time. You should not be using phone that much.
Okay, so phone would be kept aside.
Yes, ma'am.
पर बच्चे तो बहुत बहाने मारते हैं ना कि फोन में ही सब कुछ आता है. स्कूल इज ऑल्सो सेंडिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन द फोन. आई नीड माई फोन नेक्स्ट टू मी. सो इज दैट अ फैक्ट या ये
I
ऐसे ही
also
बहाना
used to
है?
do that.
So what, you used to then switch and move on to social media while seeing the notes?
Ma'am,
या
I was
concentration था उस पे?
I was not that much active on social media, but I used it to relieve myself from studies.
Okay, that was an interesting one, that you wanted to relieve yourself, feel relaxed.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आप जो है वो थोड़ा स्टडीज पे जाते थे. लास्ट एग्जाम जब हुआ उसके तुरंत बाद what was the thing that you did?
Ma'am, I went home and started playing on mobile phone.
Okay, so this mobile phone is in everyone's life, but वही बात है कि उसको अगर हम सोच समझ के इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो हम 94.2 लाएंगे, और ऐसे सब्जेक्ट में जिसको हम पसंद नहीं करते उसमें हम 99 स्कोर कर लेंगे. तो दैट डिपेंड्स हम कौन सी चॉइसेस मेक कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में, राइट? एंड दर्श, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे चलते चलते, आप अपने जूनियर्स को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Ma'am, they should just concentrate on studies, although they should use phone and complete their hobbies to feel relaxed, but do not leave studies. They are very important.
Okay. And what is your goal next in life? What stream are you planning and why?
Ma'am, I have taken commerce because I want to pursue chartered accountancy.
Okay. All the very best for that, Darsh, to you. And thank you so much for sharing your moments of happiness and this score of yours that takes you for higher heights ahead. खुश रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. सो व्यूअर्स, हमने सुनी अपने इन यंग बच्चों से बातचीत पर कुछ छूटा सा लग रहा है, और वो जो छूट गया है उसको अब हम पकड़ के ला रहे हैं अंडर द रैपिड फायर सेक्शन, और बात करेंगे हर एक स्टूडेंट से, जानेंगे उनके इंस्टेंट आंसर्स, बिकॉज जो उसी पल जवाब दे दे वो तो सिकंदर है ही है और जीत रहा है. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. यस, सो हो गए हमारे चारों टॉपर्स से बातचीत, और अब आ गया है द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग सेगमेंट, रैपिड फायर. सो Sambhavi, you're on the hot seat and we will be starting with you. I will not give you any time whatsoever to think, but I want you to answer quick.
Okay.
Favorite subject?
Biology.
Most difficult chapter?
Of any subject.
Anything?
Electromagnetism.
Okay. Online notes or handwritten notes?
Handwritten notes.
Most supportive teacher?
Anjali ma'am.
One app you use the most during your preparation?
Google Gemini.
Exam before prayer or panic?
Before prayer.
Percentage expectation versus actual?
It was like lesser, but it's like more I have got. So like 96 was more for me.
Okay, so your expectation, you've got more than your
Yes, yes, ma'am.
expectations. Right. One word for board exams.
Hectic.
Advice in one sentence.
One sentence.
Yes.
Do your best.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so
Yeah,
much. That
thank you,
was
ma'am.
wonderful. So from Sambhavi, now we are moving on to Mohammed Naved. और नावेद कॉमर्स से लेके आए इतने सारे परसेंटेज, और अब हम इनसे बात करने वाले हैं विद रैपिड फायर. सो नावेद, रूल्स आपको पता है, इंस्टेंट आंसर्स चाहिए हमें, नो थिंकिंग नथिंग, जस्ट द आंसर्स. सो योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट,
Accountancy,
मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर,
marketing,
नाइट आउल और अर्ली मॉर्निंग लर्नर,
early morning,
ऑनलाइन नोट्स और हैंड रिटन नोट्स,
handwritten notes,
मोस्ट सपोर्टिव टीचर,
any ma'am,
एनी मैम और एनी मैम.
anything ma'am.
Yes, Annie Singh, ma'am. All right. One app that you used regularly for these preparations.
YouTube,
YouTube. Okay. Exam से पहले panic या prayer?
prayer,
And percentage expected versus actual. More or less?
more,
More than what you
yes.
expected. Wonderful. One word for boards?
excellent.
Okay. Advice in one sentence.
Keep discipline and consistency.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Perfect. So from the ISC board students, we are moving on to the ICSE ones, class 10, and we have Ishant Gupta in front of us right now for this rapid fire round. Let's start. No stopping, instant answers. Favorite subject?
Maths.
Most difficult chapter?
Trigonometry.
Night owl or early morning learner?
Early morning.
Online notes or handwritten notes?
Handwritten.
Most supportive teacher?
English. Anjali ma'am.
One app that you use the most during preparations?
Google.
Exam before, was it prayer or panic?
Prayer.
Percentage expected versus actual.
Expected and actual equal.
Means what you expected, you got that.
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Wonderful. One word for boards.
Milestone.
Milestone. Okay. Advice in one sentence.
Consistency.
All right. Your sentence completes in one word itself. That was wonderful, Ishan. Thank
you,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank-
So over to the ICSE board exam last student, not the least, and that is Darsh with us now. So Darsh, it's going to be a rapid fire. Instant answers we want. No thinking. A smile on your face and you continue giving the answers, right? So what was your favorite subject?
Maths.
Most difficult chapter?
None.
None. Oh, wonderful. Night owl or early morning learner?
Night out.
Online notes or handwritten notes?
Handwritten.
Most supportive teacher?
Bhavna ma'am.
One app that you use the most during these preparations? No apps. Wow. Exam before, was it panic or prayers?
Panic.
Panic. Percentage expectation that you had to what you actually got?
I expected 95, got 94.2.
So exactly the same, on the same platform you are. So few things, they never change. When we talk to the toppers, talking about handwritten notes, talking about early morning risers, it's all there even today. So that is what I feel that we all need to learn. And एक word जो बार बार हर बच्चे से सुनने को मिल रहा था, consistency. I generally talk about the woodpecker. It continues till the time it actually reaches the goal, and that is what that all of these students from Cambrian Hall have today told us, and that is how our life's goal need to be. And I'm really glad to have talked with these students today, and I'm very sure that my viewers will love it, because there was so much of learning from these young children, Gen Zs that we call them. Wishing them all the best, and I think we can give a 3 cheers to Cambrian Hall School. They have done wonderful with their students. Imagine students from class 1 to class 12, class 10, they are there in the school. कुछ तो बात है. बहुत बढ़िया. आप सभी को विश करती हूँ आपके भी सपने साकार हो, and may all of you reach the heights that you all are looking for. And रेडियो घाम छाया है ही इसीलिए, आप सबके सपनों को उड़ान देने के लिए. तो जुड़े रहा करिए और सीखते रहिए रेडियो घाम छाया के द्वारा बातें जो हम सीख के आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं. थैंक यू.